Hi, now we are in Shipmaker Island. Yeah. Didi, our host, will tell us about village consists of many shipmakers. Yeah. After they are finished these ships, about 100 volunteers help the shipmakers push the ship to the ocean. What's amazing collaboration between the shipmakers and the village citizens. Our VJ's house Didi will continue. Me, thank you, Arvin from GTS Citizen Station.
Hello guys, how are you? I'm Didi Brilliant. Now I'm in Tidung Island, the island of ship maker. Let's find out. Guys, sekarang saya sedang melihat dua orang bapak-bapak yang sedang membuat kapal. Sepertinya sibuk sekali. Saya mau tanya-tanya bagaimana proses pembuatan kapal dari mulai awal sampai dengan kapal itu selesai dan siap untuk dipakai. Let's go! Halo Bapak, selamat siang. Dengan Bapak siapa?
Pak Sabri.
Saya Didi Pak.
Ya.
Apa kabar Pak hari ini?
Baik.
Alhamdulillah. Ini saya tadi lagi jalan-jalan terus tertarik Bapak ini buat kapal untuk apa ya Pak? Angkutan.
Untuk pancing.
Oh, untuk pancing. Nelayan berarti ya?
Nelayan. Untuk nelayan.
Kalau misalnya untuk angkutan penumpang untuk dari satu pulau ke pulau lain?
Dia mau sewa perahu begini aja, perahu pancing.
Oh.
Ya, kalau dari pulau ke pulau gitu.
Oke.
Ya. Kalau muara angke kan ada khusus gitu. Lalu, ke pulau dari pulau ke pulau gitu. Dari sini pulau payung. Perahu begini aja. Perahu kecil.
Ya.
Ya.
Okay guys, today I have something special here. I have some interview with the man here. He's making something, and the ship is special for the people who wanna take some fish in the sea. And because this one look complicated, I wanna know how to make it and how much it costs. Okay? Hello guys, now I'm sitting in between two trees, coconut trees and another trees. It's such a cozy place and shady. I'm separate with my partner, and now I'm gonna take a rest a little bit and try to find another place, interesting story as well. Stay with us. Halo Bapak, Assalamualaikum. Apa kabar Pak? Dengan Bapak siapa Pak?
Andi.
Pak Andi. Saya Didi Pak. Jadi saya tadi something interesting here that for making two ship, we need at least 3 months to make it perfect. And to put it in the sea, we need one ship to pull it. And then we need 50 until 100%. In Indonesia, we call it gotong royong, which is we need as many as possible people to do volunteer and to put this ship into the sea. And the perfect time apparently is when the water rising or comes up. In Indonesia, we call it air pasang. Pak, terima kasih banyak ya Pak atas waktunya. Mari. Let's go.
Hi, welcome back with me, Arvin Miraselova. Now we are in Tidung Island, the tiny island. It's about 2.5 kilometers from Jakarta using boat, traditional boat. As we know, these islands consist of 5,000 population. Most income coming from tourism sector, and also what's so interesting about this island, they live also from sea transportation. That's why in this island so many ship makers, traditional ship makers, and they are not just make or build ships in this for this island, but also another island. They sail to another island. Every people here so depend on with the tourism sector, and they do believe if they build many traditional ships as a ship's transportation from Jakarta to the islands, so the tourism will more grow up. Look, these islands, some still virgins, but some traditional resort also already built here. Most tourists coming from local, but also foreign tourists began to come to this island. About the ship makers' life, my colleagues, really brilliant, will continue after this. Thank you so much.